Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, it's a wet and dull day here in the UK, so I wanted to take this opportunity to show you my current craft room state. Might be very different from what you've last seen, especially if you've seen my craft room tour video, which I will leave a link in the description box down below. Now, this is just the reality of crafting. I am doing a challenge over on Instagram where I create a journal spread every day. So this is the result. I have made a conservative effort to try and put supplies away, but as you can see, there's drawers out of place, there's stuff on the floor. I've just built myself a little shoe haul, a horseshoe of supplies around my desk. Everything is just everywhere, but given a free hour, I would rather sit down and craft and be creative than put stuff away and tidy up my craft room. If you are the same as me, do leave me a comment in the down below so I know that I am not alone in this struggle. So as you can see, lots of stuff everywhere. Even Mickey Mouse, he cannot handle the struggles of this craft room. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It is just a light-hearted but very true reality of crafting. Take care guys and have a lovely crafting day.